Welcome to our channel. Today's video highlights jaw-dropping customer service fails and how iconic brands turn them around. In 2018, Starbucks faced backlash after two black men were arrested for simply waiting in a store. This incident triggered accusations of racial bias. Starbucks took responsibility, closing over 8,000 stores for racial bias training. The CEO met with the affected men and implemented new policies. Imagine ordering a PlayStation for Christmas, but receiving a box of rocks instead. That's what happened at Amazon during a delivery mishap. Amazon quickly refunded orders and replaced items, strengthening their commitment to customer obsession over competitors. Zappos once shipped shoes to the wrong customer, but turned it into an opportunity by allowing the customer to keep the incorrect pair. They empowered their service team with thoughtful decisions, turning a mistake into legendary service. Small gestures create loyal customers. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, keep turning fails into legendary wins.